Hello, what's up traders, what's up friends, welcome back to my channel. In KingsF's channel, our goal is to help traders grow by becoming more profitable when it comes to trading the forex market. In this channel, we drop videos on forex trading strategies, trading guides, tips, and even helpful materials. So if you love trading the forex market and you want to be profitable in this field, in this fair, this is your home. Welcome. This is a platform I believe you have been searching for. The only thing you need to do is to stay connected with us by subscribing. Just smash that red subscribe button below to stay connected with us 247. Then turn on the notification bell to get notified once we release any video. In this video, I'll be breaking down the naked forex. I'll be breaking down the market structure. I'll be showing you how you can use support and resistance. You can use trend lines, both down and up trend lines. All these things are trades, opportunities you might be missing all this while. So I'll be showing you how to use trend lines, support and resistance to trade the forex market profitably without the use of any indicators. Remember, some of the indicators are lagging indicators. They always tell you, most of them tells you what happened, what have been happening for maybe if you are in 5 minute time frame or 1 hour time frame or a daily time frame. It's just telling you what have been happening some hours ago, minutes ago, or some days ago. So but when you trade price action, when you are a price action trader, you watch the market, you see what is happening with the price, then you draw your support, draw your resistance, draw your trend lines, and you trade them. So if you have been looking for opportunities to learn this, how to draw your support and resistance, how to draw trend lines, what is the meaning of these things, what trend line is, support and resistance, what they mean, and how to draw them, also most importantly how to trade them profitably, then this video is for you. Stick around, let's dive into it. But before I proceed, I have an offer to you. I'm making an offer to all my subscribers. So if you are my subscriber and you are watching this video, you are lucky. You are very lucky because I'm going to be giving out something very important. So some days ago, I've been sick for up to a week, okay, and I have a Telegram group. I have groups where I drop signals. I have my personal VIP group where I teach forex trading. I call it forex trading simplified with KingsFX Trader. I have different things I'm doing, but because of the illness, I was not able to meet up with those things. And I see some people complaining, some of them who want me to manage their account. Also I can't do that now on my sick bed. Some who also need the signals. Some people depend on these free signals that I drop on the general group to in raising their small account. I discovered that I was not able to do all those things, and I felt bad about it. I was like, see, I needed to help these people, but I was not strong enough mentally, physically. I was not strong. So this with this, I came to understand that it is important that I build a team, that we join my traders, that we join my the KingsFS family, the people who are behind these videos, the analysis, the signals. So I needed to build a team of people who will be working with me. So I discovered that it is important I offer my subscribers this opportunity to join my team. Okay, all you need to do is to click the link below to join my Telegram group. Then chat me up at KingsFX Trader on Telegram. Then I will add you to a group on Telegram where we'll be having our meetings. Alright, so on this Telegram group, basically it's for people who are ready and serious to learn trading from scratch. If you have been trading and maybe the basics, the fundamentals and everything, but you are struggling with technical analysis, or you are struggling with setting up your trading styles, trading plan and all those stuff, everything about trading, exposing my own trading plan, my style, and I'm going to be showing you how easy forex trading could be. Just get the information right, that mindset shift right. Once you are at the right side, the way you see price now will be different. Okay, so you just need to join that training. I'm going to be taking these people 4 months intensive training. Personally, I'm going to be taking this training myself. We are going to tour the forex market. Okay, we are going to learn everything about forex trading. Okay, the only thing you need is to join the group. And no, the training is not going to be completely free. It's not going to be free, but the price will be affordable. Okay, all you need to do is to join my team. After the training, after the 4 month training, I'm going to be picking 5 persons who will be working with me. I'm going to be picking 5 most productive person, because in the course of the training there will be tests, there will be practice. We are going to be analyzing the market together, we are going to be trading together, we are going to be raising accounts in the course of the training. So for those who have small accounts, who are looking for a way to grow, this is an opportunity for you. When you join the training, in the process we'll be analyzing the market together. Maybe after 2 months of training, I know most of you will be good. So but this training is strictly 4 months from this and next week, which is September, the second week of September to December, we are done. Okay, so if you want to join this training, join the Telegram group, chat me up at First Trader, then I will add you to the group where we'll be having the training. Okay, so that is that for that. Let me proceed with this video. So what I'm here to teach you in this video is how to trade the forex market like a pro. Yes, pro, I mean pro. It's not a joke. Most time indicators help you to for me, I use indicators most time for confirmation. I don't even use indicators in analyzing, as I'm most most time I'm a price action trader. Okay, I trade the forex structure, the price. I follow the price and try doing whatever the price is doing, or whatever the price asks me to do, I do. Okay, so bringing indicators is just to make things easier for you. When you look at some indicators, they are as overbought, you enter, that you are looking for buying opportunity and all those stuff. But for me, you need to know the holes in the structure of this market. You need to know the price. You need to be conversant with these charts. Okay, so let's dive into it. Before then, let me just put away these things. I've traded them already, but I'm going to be showing you how to draw them, what they mean, and how to trade them. Okay, so now okay, this is crash 1000, right? 1 minute 1 hour time frame. So this strategy is everything related to forex trading, the indices, currency pairs. You can use this strategy. It's general. You might be seeing it in different ways, but I'm going to explain it in a way that you don't need to ask question again when it comes to support and resistance with trend lines. Okay, let me start with trend line. What is the trend line? What is a trend line? This is a question that you can browse. You have the answers out there, but I'm going to break it down in a way that you understand it more. Okay, now what is a trend line? A trend line is basically a straight line. When you hear about trend and line, you know about trend is either when the market is moving up or down, you say it's trending up or it's trending down. Okay, then line is just already you know what is line. Okay, so trend line is a straight line that connects the high highs and high lows, or low lows and low highs of price in the forex market. What do I mean by this? I'm getting you confused, right? You are confused about the high and high lows. But remember, I have videos I dropped this thing, but I'm going to repeat it here again for you to see how easy this thing is, or this thing could be that you don't even know. Okay, high highs and high lows. What do I mean by high highs and high lows? Now, remember I said that trend line is a straight line that connects high highs and high lows, or low lows and low highs of a price. Okay, of a price. Already you know this movement, this chart is price, price moving up and down, right? Okay, now look at this place. Look at this place, okay? You see what is happening here. So let me show you what I mean by high highs, and from there I will now draw a trend line that connects them in order to explain this thing. So it will be easy. After this whole stuff, you won't ask question again about trend line, because I'm going to make it simpler. I do tell my traders I teach forex like a baby. I teach people forex like a baby. So I make you understand this, that you don't even have to ask question again. So now let's start with this. As you can see, the price, what is the price making? When the price is making high highs and high lows, the price is trending up. Okay, that is an uptrend. If the price is making low lows and low high, the price is trending down. What do I mean? Watch me. Look at this place. This place is low, abi, is lower than this price, right? And this place is lower than this. This is higher than this. This is higher than this. This is higher than this. Okay, pay attention, this is very important. Okay, so that means the price is making a high high, high low, because this is a high, right? High high, then you have high low, high high, high low, high high, high low, high high, high low. Okay, you see the price is making high high, high low, high high, high low, high high, high low, high high, high low. So higher high, it means that this high here is higher than this one. Okay, that's why you see this HH, that is high high, that is higher high, high low. So this one is higher than, let me number them, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number 1 is lower than the number 2. So that means 2 is higher than 1. Okay, so 2 is higher than 1, 3 is higher than 2 and 1, 4 is higher than 3, 2, 1. Okay, so number 4 is higher high of number 3. Number 3 is higher high of number 2, while number 2 is higher high of number 1. Okay, that's why you call them higher high and high low. So when the market is trending up, it tends to make a high high movement and a higher low movement. Okay, so now, okay, I said the trend line connects two or more higher highs and higher lows, right? Good. So let me now draw. For you to get to your trend line, you just click here, go to our this icon here, sorry, this icon, then tap on it, and you bring your trend line, which is this arrow right here. You tap on the arrow and draw a line, right? So this line is straight. Okay, another thing you need to know, you don't need to force your line to touch all of them. Just make sure it's connected to 2 or more points. Okay, as you can see, we have this place touching the line, this place touched, this place touched, this place touched. Okay, so it must not be it must not touch all the points. Okay, just make sure it's touching 2 or more high highs or high lows when it comes to uptrend. So now remember, I said a trend line connects 2 or more high highs or higher lows, and it will always have extension. You extend the line so that you know the next place the market will be testing or be coming to, or the market will be going. Okay, so now as you can see, this place is a high high Okay, this is a high low, this is a high high, this is a high low, this is a high high, this is a high low, this is a high high, sorry, this is a high high. All right, okay, so this trend line connects one, two, or more higher highs. You see how simple this thing is? Trend line connects two or more higher highs, or connects two or more lower lows. So let me use this to also draw another trend line. Okay, so we have this as another trend line, right? So here is one high low, two or more low lows. So it connects two or more low lows, higher lows, higher lows. It connects two or more higher lows, or two or more higher highs when we are talking about uptrend. This is an uptrend, right? This market is going up. Okay, so this is basically what trend line means when you hear about trend line. So let's go and apply it on a downtrend. Okay, so that I'll also explain what we mean by a downtrend and what the price will be doing and how to draw these trend lines. Then we come back to how to trade them. Okay, so let me just pick a line and draw this one. All right, so let's look for a downtrend. Look at a downtrend here. Okay, look at a downtrend here. So we have, sorry, okay, look at what the price is doing here. Look at what the price is doing here. Pay attention to this place. If you look at there, as in if you look at the price there, you have a high here, right? You have a low here, then you have a low here, and a low high here, right? You have a low here, and you have a low high here. You have a low here, you have a low high here. Okay, you have a lower low here, and you have a low high here. So this is basically when you talk about trend lines. Talk about the trend. A downtrend we tend to make a low high movement, low high movement. Okay, so a trend line, a downtrend line, is a straight line that connects two or more higher, that is low highs or low lows, two or more low highs or low lows. So now look at this point, which is our high. Look at this point, which is our low. Look at this point, our high, as in our low high. This is our low low. This is our low high. This is our low low, low high, low high. Okay, this is a low. When you see the first, you have high, you have low, then the next movement up are supposed to be a low high here. Okay, sorry, it's supposed to be a low high there. That is a mistake. It's supposed to be a low high there. So now the first movement we have a high, right? We have a low, then we have a low high, and we have a low low. We have a low high, we have a low low, we have a low high, we have a low low, we have a low high. So basically this low low is the normal movement. This is the movement. Then the low high is the pullback. Okay, you know, when the price moves, it moves, we have impulsive move and retracement or pullback. Okay, the low low is the impulsive move when it comes to downtrend, which is this movement down here. is the low, right? When you now have a low movement here, okay, then the retracement, which is the pullback, is here, which is the low high, okay. Then we have another impulsive move down, and it forms the next low. Then we now have a pullback, which forms a low, which forms a low high. Then you have another impulsive move down, forms what? A low, next low. Then you have a retracement that will now give us another low high, right? Then we have another impulsive move down, now give us another what? Low. So this is basically the movement when you have a downtrend, okay. So now let's draw the trend line here, a line that will connect two or more low lows or low highs. So now look at the low here. This line connects two or more. Once it be able to connect two or more low lows, okay, or two or more low highs, know that we are good to go, okay. So you don't need to force the line to touch, just draw a straight line, allow the line, okay, to do its thing. I think you can see here, this is a downtrend, right? And this point right here, this is our low, right? This is our low high, this is our low, this is our low high, this is our low, this is our low high, this is our low, this is our low high, this is our low high, low, right? So this line connects those points. It connects low highs, okay. That is a downtrend trend line. When you talk about trend lines, this is how to draw your trend line. So if you did not get this concept, I don't know how X or where you are going to get this kind of explanation. So when you talk about trend line, this is what they mean. So it's not a rocket science or something you cannot just draw on your own. So basically this is what we mean by trend line. So I'm going to show you how to trade them immediately so that we enter support and resistance, okay. So how to trade this trend line is very simple. How to trade them. Now what you need to do is to be targeting the impulsive move, okay. The impulsive move, which is the low, is our target. So if you enter the trade and you discover the price started, maybe you start making a low high movement, which is a downtrend, then you wait for a retracement, a pullback to that. You draw your trend line and wait for a pullback to the trend line so that you enter a sell when it's trending down, okay. Now let me show you what I mean. You enter the trade, you entered and you see, open your trading app or any website you are using to analyze the trade, and you discover that the price is making a low high movement, okay. You have seen this, and the next one happened. Then you draw your trend line. Is now this trend line is connecting this 1-2 line, it's connecting the two lines. Then you draw an extension, which is this point down here. Okay, is an extension of the trend line, right? Okay, so what you need to do is to wait for this thing to pull back to this point, okay. Once it pull back, you enter your sell and take it to this place. Then once you hit the line, which is that line there, you take profits right here and allow it to pull back again up here. Don't trade the pullback. Then you enter your sell and write it down here. Then take your profit at that line and allow the pullback again. Then you enter your sell and write it down here. Then take your profit again right there. Then allow the pullback, okay. You're supposed to enter a sell, right, and it will break out. But I will show you when and what you do in order to know when a breakout will happen, okay. You need to know when the breakout will happen so that you will not enter a sell, okay. And even if you don't know, if you're able to trade 3 or 4 times profitably and another one breakout, is it not, it will hit your stop loss, right? You are still in massive profit. But I will show you when an entry signal. I will show you an entry signal that will kind of help you know when the market will be breaking out. Okay, so now look at what happened here. Just pay attention. Pay attention to this. Okay, now you discovered a a low high movement, right, which is a downtrend, and you connect your lines. Then you decided to allow this uh pullback to happen, right? Then you enter your sell there. Okay, do you see you will always wait for a candlestick pattern, or you look for whether that place is a support before you enter the trade, for you to know that this thing will hold. Okay, for you to know that this market is going to reverse, it's going to make that impulsive move, it's not going to break out. So you need to see a sign, a candlestick pattern formed before. If you see a candlestick, a bullish candlestick, impulsive bullish candlestick, when I mean impulsive, I mean momentum. There is no consolidation, there is no support right there as in that particular place, and you are seeing the movement. You have to wait to confirm if this reversal, if this your trend line will hold. Is it going to hold and pull back the price to continue the downtrend, or is it going to break out? So this is what you need to wait and see. So if you watch what happened here, when the line, when the price get to this point, just pay attention to here. Okay, you see the formation of the candlestick there. You see quick rejection, that the line, the price was rejected at that point. Just watch that candlestick, that bullish candlestick there. It was rejected, and that's why you have the wick. Okay, look at the pin bar before that last candlestick pattern. This is, those things will start happening. Okay, you start seeing some candlestick pattern forming for you to know that this particular line is going to hold. But when the breakout will happen, the momentum of the candlestick will be very high. You will just know that this is a breakout. So you don't just enter because it's hitting your trend line. No, you don't just enter the trade. You need to wait for a confirmation to see an entering point that this market is going to continue selling. Okay, so watch again what happened after this pullback, after this impulsive move. Okay, and we have a pullback, right? Now observe here, you see that consolidation there, you see that price not candlestick forming, consolidation in one place. Okay, trying to tell you that there possibly there's a support here, or the trend line is going to hold. That is, it cannot actually break, the price cannot break that line. Okay, that is when you now enter another sell going down. Now you see the pullback here. Okay, then watch the candlestick. Do you see the formation of that candlestick? The candlestick moved with, the momentum is high, it just break out and you are seeing it. Okay, there is no much pullback like rejection there. You discover that this is a breakout pattern, so you need to allow you don't need to enter a sell there. Okay, just watch the candlestick pattern. I'm going to be dropping videos on entering point, the candlestick pattern that you will use, reversal candlestick pattern. These candlesticks will help you know your entering point and your exit point. Okay, I'm going to be dropping a video about that. Just stick around. All right, so let me show you again what happened here. Just watch here. Okay, watch. This is an uptrend now. The first line I drew about that is on trend lines. Watch, we see the high here, the first one. Let me use circle. We have the first one and the second one happened. Then we connect our line, right? We connect our straight line. Okay, now there's a pullback here. All right, and we enter a buy up there, and we take profit up there and allow the pullback to happen here. Just watch the candlestick formation right here that will show you to enter a buy again. Do you see the candlestick there? Do you see the formation, the pattern there? Is a reversal pattern. So you already know that this price is going to reverse back, it's going to move, it's going to make another higher high, right? Then you enter again, and wait for a pullback, then watch what happened here. Are you not seeing that this price is going to break out? Are you not seeing the candlestick pattern? There is no much rejection, there is no consolidation. The momentum is just there, as in the power, let me use this thing, the pushing is high. So you already know that this candlestick is going to break out this trend line. So you don't need to enter a buy here. Okay, sorry, you don't need to enter a buy here. You don't need to enter a buy because you did not see any confirmation of what a buy signal. Just take a kind of take your time, observe this candlestick pattern on this line and see. You will know, using the candlestick patterns, you will know when there will be a breakout and when the trend line or the support will hold. Okay, once there is no pullbacks, no like consolidation, no pin back candlestick pattern forming, and goofy candlestick pattern, no any of the candlestick pattern that you know, if you are not seeing them, if you do not see any sign, then allow that trade to pass. To wait until you confirm. Well, our problem is that we lack patience. We don't want to wait to confirm our entry. We just enter because maybe one or two conditions. You must allow, after it hits that your support, wait and see the reaction of the price. Is the price reversing back? If the price is reversing, then you enter your buy or sell depending on the trend. Okay, you must wait for a confirmation before you buy or sell. That is how simple trading this market or this strategy is. Just draw your trend line, then wait for an impulsive move. Once the pullback happen, you see a sign to enter, you enter and take the profit and ride that impulsive movement. Okay, so that is that on trading trend lines. Okay, so I don't want to make this video too long. All right, I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm going to be dropping another video on support and resistance. I'm going to be dropping another video on how to draw your support and resistance and how to trade them. Okay, I will drop a video on everything about support and resistance, how to even use it to trade ranging markets. Okay, you can use that to trade ranging. You know that I don't really support people trading ranging market, but I will show you how to trade this ranging market with support and resistance. So if you like this video, if you like the explanation, if you like everything about this trend line, please smash that like button. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel. Okay, then share this video. It also helps YouTube to boost this video on their page. All right, this is our home. So remember the class, 4 months class, forex trading simplified with Kings FX Trader. So if you want to join the class, hit me up on Telegram at Kings FX Traders. Follow the link below to join the general group, then hit me up and I will add you in the group so that you enjoy the 4 months intensive training which I will be taking myself. All of us will be in this training for 4 months, and I believe, I know, after the class you are going to be a better trader. Okay, so and I will be picking just 5 persons to join my team, Kings FX Traders team, who will be helping me send signals, manage accounts, analyze the market together, and also teach other people, because we are growing. We want to extend this knowledge. We have a lot of information we need to pass through across to other people. So if you like to join, if you like to partake in this opportunity, don't waste time. Just hit me up on Telegram and I will add you to the group. So I will see you when I see you in my next video. Stick around. Bye for now, guys.